I'm going to show you exactly how to edit videos using Canva Video 2.0 with a simple step-by-step method that helps you edit faster, understand the new timeline layout, and create professional-looking videos even if you have never edited before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, let us set up your video canvas. Head over to your Canva account and on the left-hand panel, click Create. Choose Video, and you will see different canvas sizes depending on the platform you are posting, such as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or presentations. Pick the one that fits your project best. Once your canvas loads, you will see a blank timeline. This is where all your editing happens. Unlike the old Canva video editor that used Page's Canva Video 2.0, now works like traditional video editing software such as CapCut or Adobe Premiere using a timeline with layers. Do not worry, it is much easier than it looks. Let me walk you through the main parts so you know exactly how to use it. First, you have the overlay track. This is where you add text images, videos, and elements that appear on top of your main video. You have full control over where these overlays appear and how long they stay on screen throughout your video. Next is the main video timeline. This is where you place your main video clips and images. Take note that text and elements cannot be added directly here. They must go in the overlay track instead. Think of this as the base layer of your entire video. Below that, you will see the audio timeline. Here you can add background music, AI voiceovers, or even record your own voice directly inside Canva. Just click Add Audio, and you will have options to upload music, generate an AI voiceover, or record yourself instantly. When you add a video clip, Canva automatically places it on the main timeline. You'll also notice a floating toolbar above your clip. From here, you can split clips, delete footage, add comments, remove backgrounds, extract the audio, or enhance it, adjust the volume, adjust video speed, crop the video, or flip it, change transparency and reposition layers, all in just a few clicks. If you click Edit, a new panel will open where you can manually adjust your video appearance, including white balance, lighting, and color. Right beside that are Canva AI-powered video tools such as background remover and highlights, which automatically select the best moments in your footage to save you time. You will also find filters that instantly change the mood of your video and an apps section where you can access third-party tools. These include a video upscaler for low-resolution clips, YouTube embed for adding videos through a link, a translator, a caption generator, and many more tools that improve both visuals and quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to edit videos using Canva Video 2.0 with confidence. If you want more Canva tutorials, AI editing hacks, and beginner-friendly design tips, hit like and drop a comment below, and I will share more with you. And don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.